Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today, we're reviewing the Womier WK61 mechanical RGB wired gaming keyboard, a 60% compact keyboard that offers a unique balance of performance, style, and customization. Designed specifically for gamers and PC enthusiasts, the WK61 brings a lot to the table in terms of features, and we're going to break it all down for you. Starting with the 60% layout, this compact design eliminates the number pad and function row, giving you a more streamlined keyboard that maximizes desk space and improves portability. While it may not be ideal for users who need a full-size layout, it's perfect for gamers who prefer a minimalist setup or want a keyboard that's easier to carry around for LAN parties or tournaments. One of the key features of the Womier WK61 is the hot-swappable functionality. This means you can easily swap out the switches without soldering, allowing you to customize your typing or gaming experience based on your preferences. Whether you want a quieter typing experience or a more tactile feel, you have the flexibility to choose and change switches as needed. The linear red switches that come with the keyboard offer smooth, uninterrupted keystrokes, ideal for gaming and fast-paced typing. The RGB backlighting is another standout feature of the WK61. With vibrant colors and multiple lighting effects, the keyboard offers full customization, allowing you to choose from millions of colors and different lighting modes. The RGB lights not only enhance the visual appeal of your setup but can also improve your gaming experience by allowing you to highlight specific keys or create your own unique lighting profiles. In terms of build quality, the Womier WK61 uses PBT Keycaps, a premium material known for its durability and resistance to wear and tear. These keycaps are more resistant to shine and fading compared to ABS keycaps, ensuring your keyboard will maintain its appearance over time. The overall build is solid, with a sturdy frame that can withstand heavy typing and gaming sessions without flexing or bending. Connectivity is straightforward with the wired connection, ensuring a lag-free, reliable connection whether you're gaming or typing. The keyboard is compatible with Windows PC and is ready to go right out of the box with plug-and-play functionality, meaning no additional software or drivers are required for basic use. However, if you prefer more advanced customization, there are software options available to further tweak the RGB effects and key mappings. Overall, the Womier WK61 mechanical RGB wired gaming keyboard is a fantastic choice for gamers and enthusiasts looking for a compact, customizable, and durable keyboard. With its hot-swappable switches, RGB lighting, PBT keycaps, and compact design, it strikes a great balance between performance and aesthetics. If you're after a more portable, stylish, and customizable keyboard for your gaming setup, this is definitely worth considering. If you want to grab the Womier WK61 at the best price, just click the link below. Don't miss out on this excellent keyboard for your gaming or typing needs. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next review.